for the next problem naman, we have a truss problem. And then, madali lang to, but yung distances lang yung medyo sagabal sa solutions natin. And then, meron akong challenge item, which is, ano yung force sa member CE. Gagamitan natin to ng method of sections, and then, yung value na makukuha natin sa member BE. Yan. So, lahat ng triangles dito consists of 45-degree angles. Now, if this is 45, then this must also be 45 din yan. And then this is 90. Yan. And then, ano pa? Itong distance pala na to is equal to this one. Now, considering this triangle, yan, if the hypotenuse is 3, then this distance pala is 3, and then, ano yan? 3 sine 45. Yan. Saka, ito rin. 3 sine 45. Now, this distance naman is 3 sine 45 din. I mean, cosine pala. Sorry. But, hindi naman yan magmamatter kasi pag 45 degrees, equal lang yung cos 45 saka sine 45. So, this is also 3 cos 45. Yan. And then, ano pang distance na kailangan? Diba? Ito ay 6. Yan. 6 yan. So, if this is 6, then yung distance pala na yan, this is 6 cosine 45. Yan. 6. I mean, referring to the figure, pwede man itong gawin mong 45. Yan. Kaya ginawa ko na lang cosine. But pwede din na pag ito yung angle mo, dapat sine talaga. But again, cos 45 and sine 45 will just be the same. So first, kukunin muna natin yung reactions. But pag truss kasi, hindi ko gusto yung hinge na reactions yung kukunin ko. Kasi merong dx kasi meron ding dy. So, gagawin natin, sa roller na lang tayo yung roller support na lang yung kukunin natin, yung reaction niya. So, we can sum up moments about the hinge support. So, meron tayong AY multiplied by a distance of, diba, we can extend a line here, saka dito rin. Yan, so we have this triangle. Now, the hypotenuse of this triangle is 9 meters. Yan. And then this angle is also 45 degrees kasi perpendicular kasi yan, 90 dapat yung total. So, this distance pala is 9 cosine 45. Yan. And then, we have 10 kN. It will cause a counterclockwise rotation about D. So, minus. Ito pala, clockwise. Kasi pag hahawakan mo yan, apply this force, it will rotate counterclockwise. Now, hawakan mo ulit, apply this force, it will rotate counterclockwise. So, minus 10 multiplied by 3 sine 45. And the next, we have 8 kN. It will cause counterclockwise rotation pa rin. So, minus 8 multiplied by dalawang 3 cos 45, or let's just say 6 cos 45. So, set natin to 0. We have x times 9 cos 45 minus 10 times 3 sin 45 minus 8 times 6 cos 45. Set to 0, ay becomes 8.67 na lang. kN. Yan. Now, the first question is, ano daw yung force ng member AB? Yan. So, we can apply the method of joints. So, this is at joint A. So, we have here AY, which is 8.67, and then this is AE. Ito naman yung AB. Yan. So, we have here an inclination of 45 degrees. But, upon checking, pag mag-sum up ka ng forces along X, automatic na AE becomes 0. Kasi, di ba, AE cos 45 equals wala mang horizontal na force acting. So, magiging 0 lang din si AE. Yan. So, to solve AB pala, we can just sum up forces along Y. Now, inassume ko siya as tension. So, positive AB, since it's acting upward, plus 8.67, this must equal 0. So, AB pala is negative 8.67, but this is compression. Yan. So, ito na yung sagot natin for ano yan? The first question. So, C, which is 8.67. Now, the next question naman is to calculate the axial force of member BE. And now, for member BE, we can consider joint B. So, draw natin. Ito yung joint B. And then we have here BC. Meron ding BE. And we have AB. Yan. Now, although alam natin na yung AB is in compression, don't change the arrows. Always draw in tension na lang para to avoid human errors na lang. And then aside from the internal forces, meron din tayong applied force sa joint. So, sulat din natin 10 kN. Now, again, yung hinahanap natin is the axial force of member BE. Yan. So, yung una nating masosolve is the force in member BC. Yan. So, summation of forces along Y, we have minus AB. Again, consider mo rin mo lang as tension, but then just take into account the negative sign once magsosolve ka na. And then plus BC, this is still 45 degrees. Yan. 45 degrees. So, sine 45 equals 0. So, magiging minus negative 8.67 yung AB. So, gagawin natin minus rin yan. Plus BC sine 45 equals 0. So, this becomes pwede mong i-shift solve, but pwede mo ring input na minus 8.67. Pag ilipat mo yan sa other side, divided by sine 45. So we have 12.26 negative. This is Kn, and then since negative yung lumabas, this is in compression. Yan. But hindi yan yung hinahanap natin. Yung hinahanap natin is BE. So, we can sum up forces along X. So, meron tayong 10 Kn going to the right, so positive. And then BE going to the right, still positive. And then the component of BC along the x-axis is also going to the right. So, plus BC cosine 45. Yan. So, set natin to 0. But, alam na natin yung BC. So, magiging 10 plus BE minus 12.26 cos 45 equals 0. So, BE will become 12.26 cos 45 and then minus 10. So, we have negative 1.33. So, since negative din yung lumabas, this is still in compression. So, ito na yung sagot natin for the second question. Yan. So, ito pala. Letter P pala. Now, for the last question, our challenge item, ano yung force in member CE? Now, you can apply the method of sections gamit yung nakuha mong force sa member BE. So, ito yung gagawin. We can make a cut na paganto yung itsura. Yan. Now, the next question that will arise is, sir, ano yung, saan tayo magmo-moment? Diba, lalabas yung internal forces. Yan. Ito yung BE. And then, ito yung CE naman. CE, BE, this is AB, and this is CD. So, you might wonder na, sir, wala pa man tayong CD. So, how can we apply this? We can extend the line of action of CD and AB kasi magmi-meet yan sila at a common point. So, extend natin to. So, meron siyang point of intersection dito. So, let's label this as point O. Yan. So, if I will take moments about this point, then I can exclude AB and CD. So, yung masasali na lang are BE and CE. But alam ko kasi yung BE, so masasolve ko na yung CE. Medyo mahirap kasi yung CE pag gagamitan mo ng method of joints. So, ito yung pinaka-efficient na way. Yan. So, we have here, meron kang dalawang option. You can consider the section to the right or the section to the left. Now, dito na lang ako sa section to the left. Bakit? Kasi pag to the left, hindi ko na masasali yung forces ng hinge support. Ito rin, hindi ko na masasali yan. Ito na lang. Left side na lang ng section. So, considering the left side, let's take moments about, again, point O. We have negative 10, this force, multiplied by 3 sine 45, and then minus BE, this force, still multiplied by 3 sine 45, and then 10 kn, tapos na pala yan, ito pala, 8 kn, it will cause a clockwise rotation about O. Yan, so we have to use plus. So, plus 8, and then multiplied by, if this is 3 cos 45, this is also 3 cos 45 kasi 45, 90 ang triangle na yan. So, 3 cos 45, and then meron tayong CE. Yung horizontal component ng CE tatama sa point O. Kasi ito yung component niya horizontally. Extending it, tatama sa point O. So, it will only cause a moment sa kanyang vertical component. And then, it's clockwise. So, plus CE. Ano yan? Sine 45, component niya, multiplied by a moment arm of 3 cos 45. Yan. So, set natin to 0. And then, by the way, alam natin yung BE. BE is negative 1.33. Yan. So, input natin, minus 10 times 3 sine 45 minus negative 1.33 times 3 sine 45 plus 8 times 3 cos 45 plus CE, yan yung ano natin, sine 45 times 3 cos 45. So, set natin to 0. Wait lang. Yan. So, CE equals 0.947. Now, medyo may discrepancy kasi dapat yung 1.33, non-terminating decimal kasi yan. So, pagpapalitan mo yan ng 1.333, yan na lang, magiging 0.9428 or 9.433 approximately. Now, positive yung lumabas, so this is intention. Yan.
Thank you.